Hello, everyone. Today we are here to tell you a very nice story. The name is Let's Build a Fortress. Vamos construir uma fortaleza. Come, let's start the story.
Wow, it's a beautiful house.
Yes, this is your aunt's new house.
Hello, Lisa. Welcome. Are they your friends?
Yes, they are my friends Julie and Polly.
Please come in.
Wow, this house is very big.
Lisa, take your friends upstairs.
Let's go. Let's explore.
Where's the living room?
This is the bedroom. Look, it's very organized.
And she has a TV.
Wow, a TV in the bedroom. So nice.
Where's the living room?
Let's open this door.
Wow, it's the bathroom.
Yes, and it's very big.
Open this door.
Finally, this is the living room.
I can see many toys.
I found something interesting here.
This is not interesting. These are sheets.
No, these are not sheets. These are the walls to the fortress we are going to build.
Let's use the sofa.
Yes, and let's use the chairs.
Kids, are you here?
Come in. Surprise!
Oh, it's a fortress!
Yes, and we are very hungry.
So let's eat first and then you can come back.
Okay, we eat and then we organize. Bye bye.